Why urban areas are important for Maoists? The main objective of Maoists is to seize political power. That is not possible without capturing cities. As per Maoist strategy, establishing revolutionary bases in the countryside so that the enemy cannot escape. Enemy means Indian government, Indian police, Indian army, they cannot escape. And later on, they want to capture cities in the last phase of their revolution. Meanwhile, when they are working in the countryside, establishing the revolutionary bases, they also want mass mobilization to take place in the cities through front organizations. That is one of the reasons why Maoists do work in cities. Another thing is urban areas act as shelter for Maoists when they are in transit. For money management, Maoists do depend on urban areas, and as it is, their leadership is basically from urban areas or semi-urban areas from the intellectual lot. Urban areas also act as sources of weapons and explosives for the Maoists. For logistical support, the Maoists have to depend on urban areas. Legal aid and legal protection is one of the basic reasons why urban areas are important for the Maoist. In fourth generation warfare, there is something called as legal warfare or lawfare, in which the laws of the land are used against the land itself or against that nation itself. So legal aid or legal warfare is one of the important battles for Maoists. Whenever their people are captured, then they have teams of lawyers who fight for them. Maoists do have some basic arrangement of medical aid, but beyond that, for better medical facilities, they have to depend on urban areas. To establish international contacts, they have to depend on urban areas. Maoists do have international network. To develop intelligentsia network, they have to depend on urban areas. In Charu Mazumdar's writings, there is mention of importance of the intellectual lot for their revolution. This anti-India war, they call it revolution. For their propaganda, they have to depend on urban areas to get media attention. So these are various reasons why urban areas are important for the Maoist. Thank you.